Joining the line with Courtney Mellish from the Hollis Ford sales team, where employee pricing continues, where we get to pay what you pay.
You're actually paying less than one of us would pay because not only are you getting employee pricing, you're getting any kind of discounts or incentives through Ford Canada on top of the employee pricing. It's kind of ridiculous when you think about it.
You're all like, wow, they get a better deal than I do.
Right? And it's true. I actually said that to a customer yesterday, and he laughed at me, and then I showed him the invoice and broke it down for him, and he went in, and the sales manager explained to him that, yeah, you're getting that vehicle cheaper than she would. He thought that was pretty great.
Absolutely.
Of course.
And you moved a lot of vehicles out, but there's still a great selection there.
We're selling so many, specifically F-150 seem to be what people are looking for under this employee pricing. The deals are phenomenal on them. So if you have to have a specific color or there is one specific feature you cannot live without, come see us today before you miss out, because there's going to be a little gap between those 19s and the 2020s arriving here.
Employee pricing continues at Hollis Ford. Why go anywhere else?